Guests booked my 20 million rand villa in Camps Bay, trashed the place, and I only found out when things were basically solved. The stove, plates in the kitchen, the pool table, and things I won't mention on camera. But here's the thing that people don't expect me to say: it was fine. Not fine as in I'm happy that it happened, but fine as in we plan for these types of things. I run 20 plus properties here in Cape Town. We've had break ins, we've had damages, we've had parties, we've had people come in and tell us that the property was in this condition already when they checked in, and none of them took me out because we plan for this. Hosts who get destroyed and can't continue after one bad guess are hosts that are not running a business. When you have a team and processes built around these types of issues, firstly, to not have them happen, but if they happen, you have the processes and team in place to sort this issue out. That is the clear difference between you who tries to run an Airbnb and myself who runs a thriving business.